Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you Leonardo AI train model, train your custom models. First, you just have to go to any web browser, type Leonardo AI, and all you have to do is to log in or sign up. Now, this is what it looks like, and in order to start, what you want to do is to go to this area and tap this training and data sets. Under training and data sets, what you want to do is to click this create new data set. Tap this one here. And then you have to simply type the name of your data set. For example, my favorite AI or Avid Fan AI or AI models. Everything is up to you. You can also enter a data set description, but this one is optional. You can do that later. Once done, what you want to do here is to click this create data set. Okay, so once you tap this one, it will take you directly to this page. And what you want to do here is to simply go to upload images. Here's the thing. I just want to remind you that for images, you have to make sure that these images are PNG or JPEG. If you scroll down here, you will see the image generation history. So anyways, let's go back to this part. So select these images from your computer or laptop or device. So these are my samples since I'm avid fan of this personality. And I have changed my dataset name. And then after that, what you want to do is to click this train model. And here you have to type again your model name or if you want to change that. Here for training resolution, tap this. And then here, click characters. For base model, you have to select the second one. Okay. And then you can now enter a what you call instance prompt, or you can skip this one. It's okay. Once done, click start training. Okay, tap this. Now, wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing, and then you can also click this view job status to see if each image that you have created is done or you can now use. But actually, I'm using the basic version, so I need to upgrade my plan in order to see this job status right here. I mean, all the images that I have created. So I have to wait till it's finished and then once finished, what you want to do is go to AI image generation, go to fine tune model, and then here you just have to select other model. Tap this one here. Okay, so after you tap this, and then what you want to do is go to your models, tap this one, and then click this Avid Fun AI, click view, and then this is what it looks like. Now click generate with this model. Okay, and then you have to add some prompt. I guess you can see here, fine-tuned model, my Avid Fan AI. I can type any prompt here and then go to generation history. And then this is what it looks like. Okay, now you can change your prompts here and then click generate and you will see under generation history the changes of your AI model. And that's how you train your AI models here in Leonardo AI. Okay, so once you know how to use Leonardo AI properly, training your own picture generating model may be a really satisfying process. The formally named model fine tuning is a potent function that lets you customize your outputs to precisely fit your aesthetic requirements. This is perfect for fields where style consistency is crucial, such concept art and game development. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.